Namaste. Welcome to Junior Tesla. In this episode, we are going to see a math trick. Okay, a trick and the math behind it. First of all, take a 3-digit number and then reverse the digits of that number. So now you got two numbers, one the number itself and then a number with the reverse digits. Now you find the difference of these two numbers. So take the larger number minus smaller number. And when you find the difference, that difference may be a 3-digit number or maybe a 2-digit number. So if it is a 2-digit number, add 1 0, okay. But if it is a 3-digit number, you need not add anything. So take that difference and again you reverse the digits. So that difference and the number with the reversed digits. Now what you have to do is no need of subtracting but add. So you add these two numbers, and when you add these two numbers, the sum is 1089. You can pause the video and you can try with any number, any 3-digit number, and do this process. You always end up with 1089. I have taken one example here, 374. Now when I reverse the digits, what happens? It becomes 473, right? So units place has become 100 place and 100 place has become units place. The tens place has not been changed. Now 473 is a larger number, so definitely 473 minus 374, which is equal to 99, right? So but 99 is a 2-digit number, so I have to make it a 3-digit number, add 1 0 in the beginning. So it has become 099. Now reverse the digits. So when you have reversed it, it has become 990, right? So 990 plus 099, which is equal to 1089. You can take any 3-digit number like 578, 916 or 123, 257, any 3-digit number, and do this process. You always end up with 1089. So this is the trick, a very nice trick. But what actually is happening here? What is the math behind this? So let us see in this video. I have taken a 3-digit number HTU. Okay. Now HTU, what does it mean? It is not the product of HT and U. Okay. It is just representing a 3-digit number like 375, 476, something like that. Okay. So HTU is a 3-digit number where H is representing the 100th place, T is representing tens place, and U is units place. Now when you are reversing the digits, what happens? HTU has become UTH. Now we don't know whether UTH is greater or HTU is greater. So for the sake of generality, what we have done, we have assumed that H greater than U. Okay. Now remember, those two letters cannot be equal. H should not be equal to U, because if they are equal, what happens? After reversing the digits, when you are subtracting, the answer, the difference becomes 0. So definitely the 100th place and units place should not be equal. So H and U are not equal. As a generality, we have taken H greater than U. Now if H is greater than U, then definitely HTU will be greater than UTH. So we can take the difference. So we can subtract UTH from HTU. But when you are finding the difference, what happens is, you are finding the difference, you are subtracting H from U. So U minus H. But since you have already assumed that H is greater than U, when you are subtracting H from U, you have to take a carry, correct? So where do you get the carry from? From the tens place. And that is why what I have done is U plus 10. I have written U plus 10, where I have taken 10 as one carry from the tens place. So since I have taken 10 from here to here, what happens? Here it becomes 10t minus 10. 10t minus 10. And here it has become U plus 10. Now U plus 10 minus H will be U plus 10 minus H. It will be written as it is. Now 10t minus 10 minus 10t. So now this number is smaller, this number is greater. So again I have to take a carry from the previous column, right? So I have to take a carry from the hundreds place. So this one has taken here. I mean one carry is taken here. So from here it is minus 100 and here it becomes plus 100. And that is why 10t minus 10 plus 100, that has become 90. Okay. So I have not written minus 10 plus 100, I have directly written 90. So 10t plus 90 means 10 has been taken from here to here and 100 is taken from here to here. So that is why it has become 10t plus 90. Now 10t plus 90 minus 10t, which is equal to 10 times 9 because 10t minus 10t got cancelled to each other. So only 10 into 9 is remaining. Now similarly here 100h minus 100 because we have since we have taken one carry, it is minus 100, then minus 100u. So that is why 100 into h minus 1 minus u. Now this is the difference of these two numbers. So we had taken one number and then reversed the digits and found the difference, and this is the difference. Now I will take this difference as x. Okay, I will take it as x. Now what we have to do, again we have to reverse the digits of this difference. Now when you reverse the digits of this difference, what happens? U plus 10 minus h, that is in the units place, it comes to the 100 place. So that is why it is multiplied with 100. So 100 times u plus 10 minus h. Now the tens place will remain as it is. So that is equal to 10 into 9 is remaining as it is, 10 into 9. Then this one, that is h minus 1 minus u, that is in the 100 place, but it has come to the units place. So after reversing the digits, we got this. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, the difference and the number with the reversed digits. So these two numbers must be added. And when you are adding them, what happens? 100 is added with this term, this particular term is added with this term. So 100 is common, we can keep it outside. H minus 1 minus u is added with u plus 10 minus h. Now plus h minus h got cancelled, minus u plus u got cancelled, minus 1 plus 10 which is equal to 9. So that is why 100 times 9 is written as the first term. Then let us take the second terms and add them. Okay, so 10 times 9 is added with the 10 times 9 which is equal to 10 times 18. That is the second term of the final number. Then the last term here, u plus 10 minus h, is added with h minus 1 minus u. Okay, so these two terms are added. Again minus h plus h got cancelled, plus u minus u got cancelled, and what is remaining is 10 minus 1 which is equal to 9. And that is why 100 times 9 plus 10 times 18 plus 9 is the final number. Now if you simplify this, it is 900 plus 180 plus 9 which is equal to 1089. And that is why every time you do this process, you always end up with 1089. This is the magic part, this is the trick part, and this is the maths behind the magic or maths behind the trick. I hope you understood this. Very nice trick as well as the logic behind this trick. If you go through this again, in detail, you will understand a lot of things about numbers and number properties. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. For more videos on maths learning, please subscribe our YouTube channel Tesla Education. Also, let us know in the comment section about the topics you would like to learn so that we bring more videos to you. Thank you.